It's Rhonda and I'm with Earthworks, and normally I'm at the garden center, but today I'm here in my backyard. We're talking today about this beautiful purslane that I planted in this piece of pottery, this blue piece of pottery out here near my pond. I bought this purslane, I think it was in a 4-inch container. I think I got 3 of them to put in this piece of pottery. And I just wanted to make sure you guys see how luscious and gorgeous it is. This is a really low maintenance plant. I sometimes forget to water this piece of pottery and the plants that are in this, but the purslane doesn't mind. It's very drought tolerant once it's established. This beautiful orange color looks really great with my blue piece of pottery. I did do Thriller, Filler, Spiller here. It's a recipe that we generally have customers try to mimic when they're planting up a piece of pottery. So you pick something that has height at the garden center, something that's a little bit more medium size that has color. This is an Angelonia, it's white. Its blooms haven't come out yet, but this is a white Angelonia here. And then my purslane's gonna drape down. That's my spiller. So I just wanted to share with you that that's a really simple recipe if you were trying to pot something up that was really easy to maintain. We have purslane in stock most days in different colors. This is the orange, but I've seen yellows and I've seen some pinks there at the garden center. So come on in and check out the purslane. Let me show it to you. We're there at the garden center every day from 9 to 5, except on Sundays. We're there 10 to 5. Thanks, guys.